Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. And today we're gonna work on cleaning this car up. We're gonna clean like everything out. We're gonna vacuum it, finish detailing on the inside. Excuse the hair, but I have the engine bay taped up just over the valve cover. I don't want anything getting in those coil packs and ruining them. And I taped this window off with some plastic. It's just a trash bag. And yeah, so let's get cleaning, foaming, and make this car look 10 times better. Except for the green bumper and dents. But anyway, let's get into it and start cleaning this car out. Alright guys, so here is the car in the daytime. Faded headlights. You can see all the paint and the contaminants is really bad, even on the windshield. Exhaust is ugly, it's looking really bad. And yeah, so here it is from the back. It looks okay, I mean, and there's the bad part right there. Literally a tire hit the car, and that's literally what happened. But you know, we're gonna have to get new parts. I don't know if I can get a new part for this because quarter panels are welded to the main part of the body, so I might have to fill that. The door definitely, because it doesn't even open, it just kind of squeaks. Need a new mirror. And yeah, but anyway, we gotta get wheels on this thing, and we're just gonna clean this up, make it look a lot better. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the wheels are completely clean, but we're going to work on this engine bay. I did clean up this piping, but for these hoses I'm going to use Adam's tire and rubber cleaner on a rag and see how well it works, so I can just spray it on and work on the bay, just on the paint and everything. And yeah, so these electrical connections are something I should have covered a little bit more, but yeah, anyway, we got a little bit of cleaning to do. I did that side already just to kind of see it and try it. Still got to clay this car off because as you can see there's a lot of contaminants in it and it feels awful. So we're going to clay it and then we're going to polish it up. And yeah, that's as far as we're going to go with the paint. So I got to sand this down and get a new Mazda badge because obviously someone tried to debadge this. And I don't know, I don't know what I think. I kind of like the badge on it, but we're going to clean this up and make this look 10 times better. Alright guys, so the car is kind of clean. I still have to clay it, and I have Adam's like heavy paint correction polish coming in today, and that's going to be really helpful with what I do to the car. I just got to clean it up a lot. I did vacuum out the inside. It looks a lot cleaner, looks a lot nicer. I have all my stuff there. It still needs some more love. I mean, the seat is still ruined. I got everything else to do. We got to go to the junkyard, find some parts, because I am not trying to spend MSRP on parts. I don't want to spend all that money when I can find it at a junkyard. I know there's one there, so we're going to have to go there, get a soft top. First I gotta look up how to take it off. I mean, it doesn't look too hard. And then we are going to get a door, the mirror. I'm not a big fan of these mirrors. I want something a bit more sleek. And I want to get you guys' opinion on if we should repaint it the same color, because I could do it. Or should we wrap it something? I don't know. Leave your comments down below. What you guys want to see and what you think would look best. So anyway, we're going to keep cleaning this car out and make it look 10 times better. Alright guys, so the trunk is obviously really disgusting. Like, there's some random rag there. Like, what? And yeah, it's just really gross in here, but there is no rust, so that's good. But this spare tire is really small. Is that a Toyo? Oh, yup. Okay. What is that? What is that? Oh wait, would you look at that? That's probably what these are for. Yup. Yup. Why were those even out? There's two things I'd never expect to find in a Miata is a wood holding a battery. Some pills in there, like what? Dude, this is an MRE, what? Alright guys, so as you can see in the paint, there's a lot of contaminants that are in there that I don't want, and the interior is already just spotless. I mean, for the most part, except for the carpet. So as you can hear, it sounds awful, so we gotta get rid of that. And we're gonna be using a clay bar and just some soapy water, and we'll see how well the trunk turns out. So I guess it's the first unboxing in the new car, so anyway, let's get into it, unbox it, and I'll show you guys what I got. Oh yeah, got some of their heavy correcting compound, and it looks a lot bigger on the website, but it is this small. So if you compare it to the 16 ounce, it kind of hovers over it. It's like double the size. But anyway, so the car is prepped for a polish. I want to do, it's going to be a 2-step for the Adams Heavy Correcting, was just what I'm going to do. And I'm going to use my finishing polish on one and none on the other, and show you guys the difference on what polishes will work. But it's not like a full in-depth review. Alright guys, so you can see the paint here, how there's all those scratches in there, but we're just gonna buff this off really quick and see how, whoa, oh my gosh, my paint looks amazing. Oh, okay, you can see the difference. If I go up more, you can kind of see the line right there, and yeah, there's still a little bit of scratches in there. I wasn't on there for super long. But dang, does my paint look good. Sorry, Mercedes, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I can't. This is awful. My nice paint is now wet. Oh, but anyway, we're gonna take this off. And dang, you can see the paint difference in there. It's just shiny, not shiny anymore. And this is 2-stepped, and this isn't. It's just normal paint, but it's so incredibly metallic. There's so much metallic flake in here. It's amazing. All right, guys. Well, due to the weather, literally everything I've done is just getting washed away. So the polishing looks good, except like I could only do part of the car because the rain was just getting in the way. It didn't even work. I mean, it did work. It's just the rain is just getting in the way from me polishing other sides of the car. As you can see behind me, I have towels covering this because my tent has holes in it, and I definitely have to get a new one of those. But before I do that, I got to get a new soft top or hard top, whatever one. But I think I want to do these wheels white. I think it'd look cool on the paint. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Or if you want to see the Mercedes, I have leather paint still. I just never opened it or used any of it because I was just working and making more money to support this car. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video with whatever I do. If you want to see the Mercedes or Miata, comment below. But until the next video with whatever I do, I'll see you guys then. But until then, goodbye.